In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix PlayStation 5 online status unknown. So this is how I fixed it. And by the way, there's going to be 2 steps to be able to fix this problem. So make sure to follow along. So the first step is going to be for you to go into settings here, then go to users and accounts, and then go to other and click on restore licenses. Now select that specific game that you're having problems with, if it's a specific game, and then click on restore right here as you can see. And now we're just gonna simply wait a couple of seconds for it to restore the licenses, and that is the first step done. The second step is to go back to the settings here as you can see, and then go to network here instead. Now click on settings here and click on set up internet connection. And now on your Wi-Fi here that you're connected to, make sure to click on this button right here on your PlayStation controller and then click on advanced settings here. Now scroll down and click on DNS settings and set it from automatic to manual. And the primary DNS, this is how I have it, 1.1.1.1, secondary DNS 1.0.0.1, and then click on OK in the bottom right corner. This will then re-establish connection to your, basically to your network, and it should give you a little bit better signal, hopefully. So do this and try once again, and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you.